In this video, I'll show you how to order from McDonald's using a gift card. It's quick and easy, so let's dive in. First, open the McDonald's app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Start by browsing through the menu and then adding your items to the cart. Once you're done, head to checkout, and in the payment options, look for the Our Card or gift card option. If you haven't already added your gift card, tap on Add Our Card. Enter your gift card number and then PIN, then save it. Select the gift card as your payment method and then confirm your order. If the gift card balance doesn't cover the full amount, you can pay the difference with another payment method. And that's it. Your McDonald's order will be on its way.